السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to 18 parts of our lesson series in Qur'an. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. Surah Al-Kafirun, the chapter of disbelievers. Surah Al-Kafirun, the chapter of disbelievers. Note, you don't translate Al-Kafir as non-believer. Non-believer. There is no one in this world whom can be regarded as a non-believer. One must believe in something, either good or bad, either right or wrong. So Al-Kafir means disbeliever, which means someone who wrongly believes in something. Surah Al-Kafirun, the chapter of disbelievers. Ayatuha, the number of its verses. Ayatuha, the number of its verses. Sittun, there are 6 verses in Surah Al-Kafirun. Tartibuha, the number of the surah from the Noble Qur'an. Tartibuha, the number of the surah from the Noble Qur'an. Tisiu wa miya. Tisiun wa miya. Tisiu wa miya. There are Surah Al-Kafirun is chapter 109 of the Noble Quran. La'alaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. A'udhu billah. I am seeking Allah's protection. Mina shaitan, against the devil. Ar-Rajim, the one rejected by Allah. Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Ar-Rahman, the inclusively merciful. Ar-Rahim, the exclusively merciful. Wahid, number 1. Kul, say, Ya ayyuhal kafirun, O the disbelievers. Kul, say. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was being commanded by Allah to say, or by Jibril alayhi salam. Kul, say, Ya ayyuhal kafirun, O you, the disbelievers. Ya ayyuhal kafirun, O the disbelievers. Ithnan, number 2. La a'budu, I don't worship. Ma ta'budun, that which you worship. The idols. La a'budu, I don't worship. Ma ta'budun, that which you worship. La'alaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two. Plurality in Arabic starts from 2 upward, from 3 upward, unlike English where it starts from 2 upward. I repeat, plurality in Arabic starts from 3 upward, unlike English where it starts from 2 upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb kul can only be used to command a single male person to say. So if there are 2 in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the verb kul. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb kul, the kul will now become kula. Kula. Now that lamun is no longer carrying sukun, we can now retain our lost wawun in kula. So if there are more than 2, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter of the Arabic verb kul. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb kul will now become kulu. The same principle is applicable. Now that the lamun is taking dhamma, we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb kul will now become kulu, which means you should all say, commanding a group of male persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now we talk about mu'annas. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb kuli can only be used to command a single female person to say, kuli, say. So in case if they are more than, if they are two in number, use the same form of the verb, kula, which means you should both say. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to go and replace ya'un in kuli with nunun carrying fatha. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. Now that lamun will be taking sukun, so the wawun is going to be omitted, because in Arabic, two letters carrying sukun will never meet at the same time. So what do we do to avoid that? We cancel the wawun. So the verb kuli will now become kulna, which means you should all say, commanding a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the word kafirun, a disbeliever, can only be used to represent a single male person. So if there are two in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the Arabic word kafir. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fatha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fatha in Arabic. So then we attach nunun carrying kasra. So the word kafir will now become kafirani, kafiran, which means two disbelievers. So if there are more than two, so the plural form of kafirun is kafirun or kufarun. It has three plural. Kafirun, that is number one. Kufarun, that is number two. Then we have kafaro, kafarotun, kafarotun, disbelievers. So kafirun is mufrad, singular. So the muthanna, the dual form is kafiran, while the plural form is kafiruna, kafirun, kuffar or kafaro. Ulaika humul kafaratul fajr. Ulaika humul kafara. Those are the disbelievers. Al-fajr, the sinners. Then we talk about mu'annas. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the Arabic word kafira, a female disbeliever. Kafira, a female disbeliever. So the muthanna, the dual form, is kafiratan. Kafiratan, two female disbelievers. So the plural is kafirat. Kafirat, female disbelievers. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Ma'as salama. Wa ila liqa'in akhar.